It is 9:12 Central Standard Time, November the 6th, 2011. I was just checking the weather and earthquakes in Oklahoma since we've had several earthquakes and aftershocks the last 24 hours. And Friday, all day Friday and Saturday, we had tons and tons of chemtrails being sprayed all over the sky. In fact, I have some on my camera, but I have to learn how to transfer it over so I can upload it onto my YouTube. I've got lots of documented chemtrail spraying, but that's what I have to learn next. But okay, this has been 24 to 48 hours after 48 if you want to go for Fridays, 24 if you want to go for Saturdays, chemtrail spraying, that we're getting ready to have a storm system come through. Oh, sorry. I'm tired after all the earthquakes we've had. I've just lost some sleep and stress. Not used to my house shaking, and trying to learn to prepare for earthquakes in Oklahoma. Did not know what to do. Never had to know what to do. So, and this is new. So anyway, I'm just watching this storm tracking through. So I'm hoping it won't be too intense since they did all that heavy spraying. Looks like a lot of the major intense storms are still down in Texaco. Okay, so you can tell I'm tired. I haven't, no drinking, just tired. So anyway, they have hail in the southern port, in the northern port of Texas, and the southern part of Oklahoma. So these intense storms right here looks like they're going to be heading right up into south of Oklahoma City area, which isn't quite in the area where the earthquakes were, but coming on up into Shawnee, Okmulgee, Sapulpa, Tulsa, Tahlequah. Tahlequah often gets hit pretty heavy with some of the storms. But anyway, it's all heading up to the northeast, coming down from, looks like it's centered from Abilene, Texas on up. So it will be south of Lawton and Chickasha, south of Oklahoma City per se. So looks like there's some, I like to check in and look at these little anomalies of where this storms kind of start popping up and see what we have. Okay, nothing really here, no storms, but we have these little popcorn pop-ups with all of these. I'll have to go on another site, which I don't have up right now, so it would take me a little bit long. Oh, look at those little things just popping up. It always fascinates me that in the middle of these things there are darker spots. And the shape of these, I don't know if this has to do with some kind of radar or mirror. They use those mirrors to reflect up into the atmosphere, and I don't know if those affect the storms or not, but I know they're trying to get information down from the satellites, and it's always fascinating whatever they're doing or why. And so that looks like about all that we're doing in this area. Like I said, we've got some intensity in those storms. So let's see if anything else is going on in the nation. I've just kind of had it with all the stuff. Okay, I did another video earlier, but it would not have affected here, about some rings in Kansas and